Today our topic is how Moldex3D DOE optimize injection molding parameters. So let's go into the topic. So yeah, disclaimer. And okay, so this is today my outline. So today I'm going to introduce about the DOE or Expert module and some of the features and benefits of Moldex3D Expert module and how the live demo, how to set up and discuss the results and have small case study by using the DOE model, how we can improve the warpage with a basic setup and the conclusion. So let's go into the introduction part. So let's talk about more detail. So why Moldex 3D Expert? So we know, like injection molding process to make product in the injection molding. It's a very complex procedure because it's contains many factors like the mold design, part design, and the material properties and process conditions. So when these so many factors, together, maybe to achieve our product quality is very difficult. The main factor also sometime we will have the product some product defects like short some surface issues or some factors cannot allow us to achieve our product quality. So some of like in the process condition, to find the best process condition is the other critical point to solve our problems. So sometimes the process conditions are very will influence our product quality. So some users can be like very new to the field or even the experts. Sometimes they don't know which factor influence for that particular product to achieve the better quality. So previously they have conventional trial and method which is very ineffective. They can do some change the settings to find the better product quality, but in that factor like they have like different factors like as I mentioned in the previous point, like material, the part design and the process condition will influence, and finally it will take long time to achieve the better quality.